Hey, it's Regina Green with Making Faith Moves. How are you? I wanted to stop in to offer you a word of encouragement, or some words of encouragement, shall I say. So, for those of you who do not know me, my name is Regina Green with Making Faith Moves, and I help passionate, purpose-driven believers to start up your business, to build a brand around God, centered on God, helping you go on the inside to create success on the outside in your business as you start it, as you move it to the next level. A lot of times we find ourselves focusing on so many different things, so many ways to make ourselves successful, when the number one way to become successful is to make God the foundation of it all. Therefore, when you have God as the brand, when God is who you're representing in the business, that creates success in itself, because with God has given you power and authority, and you are operating in that power and authority, causing you to create the success causing you to walk in the success that God has already given you, right? But in order to do that, you have to do the inner work. You have to go within. And one of the things that I see for new entrepreneurs, coaches, trainers, and service-based entrepreneurs and business owners is that we find ourselves comparing ourselves to others, looking at what other people are doing. And I'm doing this video because I feel like that is happening. And when you do that, when you look at what someone else is doing, when you start comparing yourself, and when you start looking everywhere else, you find yourself feeling tired, frustrated, overworked, feeling like you're running faster than you can even catch your breath. And I want to grab you right there, because I want you to remember to keep your eyes focused on God. This business that you're building is not about what anyone else is doing. It's what God is asking you to do. So I want you to slow down, and I want you to continue to move forward, but change your focus. Don't look at what everyone else is doing, how quickly everyone else is moving, how fast they're being successful, their success is coming to them. I want you to take the time to look at where you are and what God is asking of you in your business. A lot of times that tiredness, that frustration, and that overwhelm come when we have switched our focus. You may be working full time trying to build your business. That requires you to have set times for set things, because you are working full time. You may be looking at an entrepreneur who is not working full time, and it seems like they're moving quickly. Well, they have more time to put into their business. So you cannot compare yourself to that individual. In our group, we are courageous and successful believers. We are studying the book of Nehemiah. We're in chapter 1 right now, but we're looking at some of the things, how he started building the wall, and he created victory. He walked in victory, right? And from the beginning, he had his eyes on what God called him to do. From the beginning, he prayed about everything. He invited God into what he was called to do so that he could create the success and have the victory. Sometimes when we don't invite God and we invite other people and what they're doing, we invite other people's opinions, we invite other people's stuff, we invite everything outside of God into us, causing us to feel less than, feel like we're behind, feel like we're missing out on something, feel like we're not where we need to be. We invite that into our heart, and we cause ourselves to quit and give up. And so this message is just to encourage you not to quit, not to give up, but to focus on what God is calling you to build in your business as you start it. And if you haven't started yet, I want you to take your eyes off of what everyone else is doing, off of how it should be done according to the world, and ask God how he wants you to start it. Ask him for clarity. Ask him to show you who should be helping you build this. Nehemiah knew from the beginning who he should get on his team to help him rebuild that wall. If you're interested in joining my Facebook group, We Are Courageous and Successful Believers, we're going over this. We're talking about Nehemiah. And I believe it's just really powerful to see how leaders who have went before us, who have walked in victory and invited God into what they're building, and what that looks like. I think it's really important that we have groups and people who we are connected with to help us learn and see things from a different perspective as we build and move forward. This group is also to help you to ask for prayers, to share with us what are your goals and how are you trying to move forward in what you're trying to build. So if you're interested in something like that, I want you to come over to We Are Courageous and Successful Believers so that you can join in and be a part of this amazing group. So for you who are starting your business, who have started, but it doesn't seem like it's going where it needs to go, focus your attention on God and what He's asking you to do. All right? That's going to make it a lot easier because it's going to allow you to take obedient steps. Not quick steps because you're looking at what everyone else is doing, but obedient steps moving towards what He's asking you to do. Knowing that you have the peace on the inside of you, you have the boldness because you know that God has asked you to do it and how He has shown you to do it. That's going to give you that focused energy, that focused attention on moving forward in your business. I hope this has helped you. Let me know, comment, ask me any questions. Are you feeling a bit overwhelmed? Are you feeling a bit discouraged? Do you feel like something that you're moving towards is not working? Just let me know, comment below. I also have an amazing webinar that I'm starting for, that I'm going to be doing on the 19th of March for individuals who are looking to build their business, and just giving you 5 steps that you can do right now to make things a little bit easier for you to create the success that you're looking for in your dream business. All right, I'll talk to you later. My name is Regina Green with Making Faith Moves, and come on over to We Are Courageous and Successful Believers. I look forward to having you. Like, share, and comment. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.